waiter. Yes, sir. I'll have some roast beef rare, some hash brown potatoes, and a cold bottle of Pabst Blue Ribbon.
Yes, sir. Finest beer served anywhere.
Pabst Blue Ribbon, finest beer served anywhere, proudly presents P.A. Cantor Pabst Blue Ribbon Song. With our guest stars, Humphrey Bogart and Dinah Joy. Billy Burke, the sportsman, Tiki Fairchild's orchestra, yours truly, Harry Bonzell, and starring your man Friday, Eddie Cantor.
No. We got a little sun. I know I need to cut the grass there. It's really bad. Oh, look at that happy. This I will need to cut a little. Oh, it's coming back, that one. This one is getting big. Look at that. Be beautiful. And that is the other color. Nice. I still have in here lemon thyme. I love the smell, and I have some rosemary. I need to clean all these, but not today. And let's see if, oh, did I mention this one survived? This survived on my, okay, I need to see. Oh, it's getting fruit. It's getting fruits, I think. Or I'm dreaming. I don't know. I will have to put it slowly again. Okay, I tried to move this one, but this one got stuck. I wonder if he got fruit. I will have to wait. Be patient, be patient. I have another one here, but I don't think this got any root now. Oh well. I still have a little time before I do something. This is the first time that we are having a little of sun. And let me, this is my fern. I am so tempted to put outside, but we will wait a little. I don't want that get sad here inside, you know, so much darkness. But it's so beautiful. Still looking pretty. It has one side that is not so cute, but it's because it was against the wall. So makes me happy. Okay, I need to continue I was going to put these, but I better sew a little so it doesn't fry. My kitchen is a little mess. Everything that we're doing is kind of like biscuits and stuff that my dog can love. I have the meat that he was eating. He eats a little and he gets like full. Here I have, these are the meals. Today in the morning I was able to give one of these. As you can see, it's a tiny portion, but it's all that he ate, and now it's getting kind of harder sometimes to get more for him to eat. My floors are a mess. It's because he goes in and out all the time, but it's okay. I put on paper an avocado, one that gets ready. Today we have pizza, and I have a bag of lemons that we got from Costco a long time ago, and they were getting bad, so I made lemonade, and I keep here, and the extra is there, so I can do more lemonade. And I put some of my lemons to keep flavor, so it's good. Oops. Yep, that's how it's going right now. The weather, not the best. I went to walk him very early, as you saw. Let me see. And outside looks not amazing. I have not done any gardening work because I really don't have the energy right now for that. Talking about garden, I finished setting for March. This is how much I showed you, and I did what I told that I was going to transfer those pages. This will be for practically all the year or more. It's the shopping list of the things that I need. I will put here the date that I buy it and everything, and here is the way that it begins, like this week. Week 3, month 3, season, winter, going to spring. I need to mulch soil, sow broad beans, cut dead leaves and the fruit, the bushes, the fruit bushes and everything. And I actually water my fern. On Tuesday, I don't think I need to water anymore. But that's how I did. I can just put here anything that I do extra. I have not done anything extra, and I don't think I will be doing anything extra right now. Yeah, that's the weather say that it will get better the next week, so maybe that will help me. I will try to put Frosty outside with me in some way to enjoy together. That